Wow, Google's about to drop a mind-blowing new AI. OpenAI's playing legal hardball with nonprofits, and robots are learning to talk to each other directly. Today's AI news is absolutely explosive, and you're not going to want to miss a second of it. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Kitty AI Daily. It's me as always, your host Kitty, and today we've got 3 stories that are going to blow your mind. Let's get this AI part started, my beautiful kittens. First up, let's talk about the massive rumors swirling around Google's upcoming Gemini 3. According to a leaked memo that's been making waves online, Google could be launching Gemini 3 on October 22nd. That's just a little over a week away, people. Now, here's where it gets absolutely incredible. Early testers who claim to have gotten their hands on Gemini 3 are saying it's outperforming not just Gemini 2.5, but also Anthropic's Sonnet 4.5. Especially when it comes to coding and SVG work. Can you imagine? We're talking about what could potentially be the best AI model ever released. The leaked memo suggests some game-changing upgrades too. Better multimodal reasoning, which means it understands different types of information way better. Reduced latency, so faster responses. Lower inference costs, which is great news for developers. And get this, original music generation. Yes, you heard that right. An AI that can create its own original music. But before we get too excited, let me give you a reality check. As of right now, Google hasn't officially confirmed any of this. In fact, their official documentation still positions Gemini 2.5 as their current flagship model. They just launched the Gemini 2.5 computer use model in public preview on October 7th, which focuses on browser and mobile task automation. So what's really going on here? Well, it seems like there's a disconnect between all this community excitement and Google's official silence. While these early access testers and leaked information suggest some seriously impressive capabilities, Google has always been the type to make formal announcements through official channels before public releases. If these rumors about Gemini 3 are true, we could be looking at a major leap forward in AI capabilities, especially for developers and creatives. Better coding performance, lower costs, and music generation could open up incredible new possibilities. But until Google makes an official announcement, take all these claims with a grain of salt. Keep your eyes peeled around October 22nd, because that's when we might finally get the real story. Now, let's switch gears and talk about something that's raising eyebrows across the AI community. OpenAI has sent subpoenas to nonprofit organizations Encode and the Midas Project, demanding their private emails and communications with lawmakers, journalists, students, and even former OpenAI staff. I know what you're thinking. Why would OpenAI do this? Well, it's all part of their ongoing legal battle with Elon Musk. But here's where it gets concerning. These subpoenas are incredibly broad. They're asking for all documents and communications regarding any involvement or coordination with Elon Musk, Musk-affiliated entities, Meta, that's Mark Zuckerberg's company, and other AI competitors. They even want the identities and donation details of all funders of these nonprofits. Nathan Calvin, Encode's founder, didn't hold back. He said, and I quote, "I believe OpenAI used the pretext of their lawsuit against Elon Musk to intimidate their critics and imply that Elon is behind all of them." Imagine having a sheriff's deputy show up at your home with a subpoena. That's exactly what happened to Calvin. Both nonprofits deny any funding or coordination with Musk or Meta. Tyler Johnston, founder of the Midas Project, called these subpoenas an effective way to slow down nonprofits, noting that just complying would consume significant resources for small organizations. What's really interesting here is that Encode played a key role in drafting California's AI safety law, SB 53, which increases transparency and oversight for AI companies. And get this, OpenAI allegedly sent a letter to Governor Newsom seeking to weaken the bill's requirements. Coincidence? I think not. OpenAI, of course, claims these subpoenas are just standard evidence preservation in their legal dispute with Musk. Their chief strategy officer, Jason Kwan, denied that this constitutes a separate lawsuit against the nonprofits and stated that serving subpoenas via sheriff is routine. But even within OpenAI, there's criticism. Employee Joshua Akiem publicly called out the company's tactics on social media. This situation highlights the growing tension between AI companies and those advocating for regulation and safety. As AI becomes more powerful, the battle over how it should be governed is heating up. For you as consumers and citizens, this could impact how AI is regulated in the future, what protections are in place, and how much transparency we get from these companies. It's a reminder that the AI revolution isn't just about technology. It's about power, money, and who gets to shape our future. All right, time for our final story today, and this one is absolutely fascinating. Researchers have just published a groundbreaking paper called Cache-to-Cache Direct Semantic Communication Between Large Language Models, and it could revolutionize how AI models work together. So here's the deal. Normally, when AI models need to communicate with each other, they do it by generating text, which is then interpreted by another model. But this process is what researchers call lossy, meaning semantic information gets lost, and it's slow because it happens token by token. But these brilliant researchers asked a game-changing question. Can LLMs communicate beyond text? And the answer is yes. They've developed something called cache-to-cache, or C2C for short, which enables direct semantic transfer between AI models by projecting and fusing the source model's KV cache into the target model's cache using a neural network. Now, I know that sounds super technical, so let me break it down for you in simple terms. Imagine if instead of having to translate your thoughts into words to communicate with someone, you could just directly transfer your thoughts and understanding to them. That's essentially what C2C allows AI models to do, and the results are mind-blowing. C2C achieves 10.5% higher average accuracy than individual models and outperforms traditional text-based communication by 5.0%. Even better, it delivers an average 2x speed-up in latency. That means AI models working together could be twice as fast and significantly more accurate. But here's where it gets really exciting for the future. The researchers believe this could enable privacy-aware cloud edge collaboration, where cloud models can transmit curated cache segments to edge devices, boosting capability without exposing raw text. It could also accelerate inference and enable token-level routing across different models. And get this, they think it could eventually be applied to multimodal systems, allowing models handling different types of data, text, images, audio, to fuse their understanding directly. The best part? The implementation is available as open source code on GitHub, so other researchers and developers can build on this groundbreaking work. This research could lead to AI systems that work together much more efficiently and effectively. For you, that means faster, more capable AI applications in everything from your smartphone assistants to complex data analysis tools. It could also improve privacy since AI models might not need to exchange as much raw text to collaborate. While this is still in the research phase, it's a glimpse into a future where AI systems work together more like a coordinated team rather than isolated individuals. Wow, what a day in AI news! We're truly living in revolutionary times. Remember to keep your eyes peeled around October 22nd for any official announcement from Google about Gemini 3. And if you care about AI regulation and safety, the situation with OpenAI and these nonprofits is definitely worth following. As for that cache-to-cache research, it's exciting to think about how these kinds of innovations will shape the future of AI collaboration. Let me know what you think about all these in the comments below. I read every single one. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Kitty AI Daily for all your AI news needs, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you know someone who'd be interested in today's stories, please share this video with them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more cutting-edge AI news. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring the amazing world of artificial intelligence with us. Same time, same place. Peace out.